Hello students, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to deal with the SDT scheme, which is used to convert the infix expressions to the postfix notations. So, the objective of this session is how the SDT scheme is evaluated, then only the infix notation is going to convert to the postfix notation. So, for this given grammar, we have to define the SDT and we have to process the expression 2 plus 3 into 4. Here it is clearly mentioned the SDT as if E tends to E plus T, we have to print off the plus symbol only. If E tends to T, so no need to perform any action. Come to T tends to T star F, we are going to print star symbol. When T tends to F, there is nothing to print. That means no action is performed. Now come to F tends to ID, we are going to print the num dot L value. That means we are going to print the lexical value. For this given grammar, we defined this SDT. Now we are going to evaluate the expression 2 plus 3 into 4. So we have to draw the parse tree first, starting with E tends to E plus T and E tends to T, T tends to F, F tends to ID and T tends to T star F, T tends to F, F tends to ID and finally F tends to ID. So, ID plus ID star ID. So, this is the string generated from the parse tree. Now, we are going to evaluate the expression 2 plus 3 into 4. Okay, by using these semantic rules. So, here this is the parse tree, we are going to evaluate the semantic rules and let us check whether the infix notation is converted into postfix or not. Assign the given expression to that particular parse tree. Now, starting the parsing process with the start symbol of the grammar. When ID is reduced to F, what is there? Print of the num dot L value or ID dot L value. So, here ID value is 2. So, what I have to do? I have to assign this 2 value to F. So, F value equal to 2. And what is the action I have to perform? The action is I have to print the value as when ID is reduced to F, I have to perform the action print dot num value or ID dot L value. That means I have to print the ID value. What is the ID value here? 2. So, I have to print the ID value as 2. Now, when F is reduced to T, so come to here, when F is reduced to T, there is no action to perform. So, simply skip that one. Now, come to here, T is reduced to E. When T is reduced to E, come to the action, here also no need to perform any action. So, simply leave it, come to now. So, you can check E plus is there, but there is no such production, E tends to E plus. So, we cannot perform any operation. Okay. Now, come to here, when ID is reduced to F, come to the production, F tends to ID is there, the corresponding action is I have to print the number or ID dot L value. Here ID dot L value equal to 3. So, I have to print 3 here. Then F is reduced to T. When F is reduced to T, come to that particular grammar, here the action is nothing to perform. So, simply skip it. Then again come to here. So, you can observe here T star is there, but we did not have such production as T tends to T star. So, come down again and ID is reduced to F. When ID is reduced to F, come to that particular production of the grammar, you can check the associating action is printing that ID dot L value. Here the ID value is 4. So, I am going to print the 4. Okay. Now, come to here. T star F is reduced to T. When T star F is reduced to T, check printf star. So, when T star F is reduced to T, we have to perform the action printing of the star symbol. So, print the start here. Now come to here. When E plus T is reduced to E, go to the particular production, check the corresponding action. Here the corresponding action is printing of the plus symbol. So, E plus T is reduced to E. So, according to the action, we have to print the plus here. So, by here the parsing process is completed and the given infix expression 2 plus 3 into 4 is converted into postfix notation. So, by evaluating this particular scheme, we converted the infix notation to postfix notation. The SDT scheme defined over the given grammar is used to convert the infix notations to postfix notations, and how to convert that infix to postfix. Thank you.